I'm Nick Hartman. I'm the Chief Growth Officer for Ongaro Sons. We are a 90-plus-year-old family-owned and operated company. We are able to stay that way through 4 generations of Ongaros by focusing on our team and our community. And we do that by ensuring that our team is taken care of in every aspect, both personally and professionally.
By prioritizing professional development, we ensure that the most capable and qualified individuals are providing service to your homes.
We're constantly training either in-house or externally. With the different manufacturers, we attend all their schooling and all of their training courses they provide on the equipment. Because the better we know their equipment, the less fail rates the customers have, and the more success we have in guaranteeing our 100% customer satisfaction. Internally, we tend to train on communication and how to understand dealing with our customers to ensure that they're more along the lines of feeling comfortable with our team. So yes, there's the technology training, but there's also the communication. And then we're certified in every aspect that we need to be through the EPA, NATE certifications, and through all of our licenses that we hold. Customers' most fear. The number one they think will probably be price, because no one understands what things in our industry cost. We try and be as transparent as we can up front. We have some pricing online that you can see, but when we come into the home, we like to give ranges of what costs would be. Outside of that is uncertainty. Not many new homeowners have had to purchase a HVAC system, a plumbing system, a drain system, a new electrical panel. So how much is it gonna intrude in my day-to-day life with my kids and school and work and everything in between? And what disruption is it gonna cause? So if we can settle those uncertainties ahead of time, that usually helps our customers be able to make a more educated decision.
I think you should choose Ongaro Sons because of the people we choose to hire. We hire people who share the same family values of integrity, quality, commitment, and service.